Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert milliliters to liters in Google Sheet using a simple formula. Let's say you have a list of values in milliliters and you want to convert them into liters. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So to convert milliliters to liters we divide the value by 1000. Click on the first empty cell next to your data and type this formula. Press enter and you will see the result in liters. Now drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the rest of the cells. And that's how you can easily convert milliliters to liters in Google Sheet using a basic division formula. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more Google Sheet tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.